I want to start off my session with a quick observation test. I'll give you all 5 seconds. In 5 seconds, observe as much as you can. Observe the back of the cards, observe the front of the cards. But I'll make it better for you. I'll make it better for you. Let's try this. Perfect. I think it's much more clear now. So let me make it better for you. Observe the back of these cards, observe the front of these cards. The back, the front. Question number one. How many cards did you all see? If your answer is five, then you guys are absolutely spot on. Five is the correct answer. Let me ask you a bit difficult question this time, okay? Let's try this. What was the bottom card? What was on the face of the bottom card? If you said blank, then I'm sorry, I think you missed the ace as well. It's okay, it happens. When I tried it the first time, even I missed the ace. Probably the lighting must have caught you off guard. Let me ask you a simple question this time. What was the color of the back of the cards? If you said blue, then I'm sorry to tell you, it's actually all red. And if you missed this, I'm pretty sure you missed the royal flush in my hand. Thank you so much. My name is Ritvik Upadhyay. I'm a magician and a mentalist. And I like to call myself an honest magician, just like an honest politician or an honest lawyer. But before I proceed with my segment today, I want a volunteer here today to help me out, okay? So, any of you guys, if you are interested, please raise your hands virtually so that we can add you on screen and you guys will be helping me out for the rest of my segment, okay? So, you guys can raise your hands. Okay, I see a lot of hands raised. Perfect. You guys are very receptive, more than I actually imagined. Perfect. Can we have Rifa on screen, the host, or the wall? If you can add Rifa on screen, that'll be great. So, how are you doing, Rifa? Thank you for joining in, first of all. Let's proceed. Before we proceed, Rifa, do you have a book on you by any chance?
Yeah, I do have a book with me right now.
Okay, perfect. So, keep the book on you. We'll probably require it later on. Okay. But we'll come to that in a second. Okay. But before we proceed, Rifa, today you will be the most important person in this entire presentation, okay? And
Okay.
my entire act depends on you. So no pressure at all. No pressure at all, Rifa, okay?
Okay, no
But
problem.
let's proceed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blindfold myself in a minute. But before I do that, I want to show you all one thing as well, which is very important. That is why I want to cover it in the beginning as well. As you can see, that's my room. That's Rifa. That's me saying hi to myself. And you can see my room is completely empty. There's like no one here, right? That's just me. You can see probably under the table as well. There's no one hiding here. So I want to make this very clear in the beginning itself because, by the end of the presentation, you might have a question or two. So I just want to put emphasis on this in the beginning itself so that everyone else can see it loud and clear. Okay? Perfect. Moving on to the main camera. Excellent. So now that we've got past that, let's try this, okay? Also, guys, whoever has tuned in, I want you all to watch everything very carefully, observe as carefully as possible. We'll come to that in a moment, okay? So let's try this. So, Rifa, do you see this? It's a tape right here, okay?
Yeah.
And the idea is very simple. What we'll do is give it a cut and let's try this. Yeah. Is my eyes generally shut with this tape, Rifa? Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it
Yeah?
looks so.
It looks so, right? Let's
Yeah.
try this once more. Okay. Things we do for entertainment, guys. It's crazy, trust me. Okay. And just to make it even more convincing, this great. Yeah, perfect. Is my eyes genuinely shut, Rifa?
Yeah, it must be.
Yeah. Is there any way I can open my eyes?
No, I don't think so.
No, you can't. I can't open my eyes. Like, guys, if you guys are watching in, this is a budget way of getting your threading done or getting your eyelashes done. But there's no way I can see through this, right? And I'm gonna keep it on like so. So just in case, even if I open my eyes, you get to see. Okay. So let's move on. Rifa, what I want you
Okay.
to do is put your fingers like this on screen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And take a deep breath in. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Perfect. Now, what I want you to do is on your screen, touch the tip of my fingers. So that way we'll establish a virtual connection right now. Okay.
Okay. I
Let me know
did.
whenever you're done.
Yeah, I did.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a deep breath in and again and slowly let it out. Done?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now,
Am I
Rifa,
supposed
what
to
I
keep
want
this
you to
on your finger? Like, or I take it
you
off?
can take it off. You can take off your finger now
Uh-huh.
and you can relax. But Rifa, what I
Okay.
want you to do is on the upper part of your body so that everyone else can see, touch anywhere. Okay, so that everyone else here who are
Mhm.
attending the talk today can see. Done?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. I got a funny feeling somewhere around here. I don't know why. Perfect. Somewhere around, I don't know. Probably, yeah. I think upper lip to be specific. Yeah, upper lip to be specific. Uh, Rifa, let's try this once more. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Same thing again. Touch anywhere. Probably this time a different area so that everyone else can see as well.
Okay. I did.
Okay. Okay. I got a funny feeling. I don't know. Again, somewhere here. Probably the eye. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. You're doing an excellent job, Rifa. Now you can relax your hand. Okay. Take a deep breath in and again. So, Rifa,
Yeah.
you might have like are you sitting at a desk at the moment or is it like a different place altogether?
Yeah. It's a desk.
It's a desk. Perfect. So you might have like random objects lying around you, right? So, for example, I have this tape on me, right? So you might have
Yeah.
random objects lying around you. What I want you to do is pick up any one of these random objects from your desk, show it on the camera to everyone, okay,
Okay.
and then take it off the camera
Okay. Sure.
and let me know whenever you're done. But before you do that, are my eyes genuinely shut?
Yeah. It's shut
Yeah.
only. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Perfect. See the honest magician, guys. Okay. Perfect. So, Rifa, let me know whenever you're done.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Uh. Mm, I'm putting it away. Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Uh, it's something dark in color. No, no, it's not dark in color. It's something light in color. Uh, it's an eraser that you're holding, isn't it, Rifa?
How are you doing that? That's so easy.
Perfect, perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. Let's do this once more. Pick a different object and do the same thing again. Show it to everyone, and once you're done, you can take it off again.
Okay. I've put it away.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, this one is a bit difficult, but let's try this. It's it's something that you carry with you. I don't know why, but it's a coin, right?
That's fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a 10 rupee coin.
Yeah, it was a 10 rupee coin.
Lovely, Rifa. You're doing an excellent job. Crazy. Uh, perfect. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's try something different this time. Okay, let's try something different. You have a book on you, Rifa, by any chance? You said you had a book on you, right?
Yeah, I have a book on my table. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I want you to do is, Rifa, uh, take a book and show it to everyone in the audience. Okay. And once you're done with that, open to any random page number.
Okay.
Done. So, Rifa, are you happy with this page number or do you want to change your mind?
Yeah, I'm fine with this page.
You're fine with this page, right? Make sure it's
Yeah.
not the index because
No,
I
no,
mean that
no.
would be boring. Okay, and make sure it's not the first page number as well. So somewhere like as random as you can go. Okay, and
Yeah,
once
okay,
you're done,
fine.
what I want you to do is, Rifa, just slowly read a random sentence in your loudest, clearest voice, so that everyone else can hear you as well.
Okay. Okay, I'm reading. Uh, I'm sure if they did, the medical examiners would have opted for
I'm
post-mortem,
sure if they did, the medical examiners
would have opted for a post-mortem,
would
and
have
I would have
opted for a
requested one.
post-mortem.
Yeah.
Okay, continue slowly.
And I would have requested one.
I would have requested one.
Yeah, that's it. That's a sentence.
Just a second, Rifa. There was one other small point in the record. I was curious. Jack said an ER nurse by the name of Georgina O'Keefe, who was the admitting nurse at the Newton uh, Memorial Hospital. I think, yeah, Newton Memorial Hospital. That kind of makes sense.
Did you like learn the book by heart or what? Like that's like the exact same next
She,
sentence.
I think she wrote in her notes that the patient uh, had the mark central cyanosis. Perfect. Was I like that? Was it, Rifa? Yeah.
Yeah, that's like the exact same words.
Crazy, right? I mean, I love
Yeah.
Robin Cook, to be honest. What a great writer,
But how did
specifically,
you
right?
say that? That's like the exact same words, like a random
Crazy, right?
page of a random book.
I'm gonna take off this blindfold because if I keep it on for like 10 more seconds, I'll probably have to get myself a fake pair of lashes. Ow, 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 ow. Things we do for entertainment, guys. Rifa, first of all, thank you so
Yeah.
much for helping us out with this one.
Yeah.
Okay, we really appreciate your help, and you're the boss. You're the boss. Can we have a virtual round of applause for Rifa for helping us out with this one? Yeah,
Wait, I
like a
should give
virtual
you
round
the
of. Let
applause.
me know in the chat. Okay.
Wait, we should give one for Ritvik because it was like it was insane. Like it was amazing.
Thank you so much, Rifa. I really appreciate your support, and thank you
Yeah.
for the help again.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this small little demonstration. But I know. Now you must be wondering how I did it. Or maybe not. Maybe because you have a hunch about how it's done. You see, the logical thinkers here must be convinced that they know the answers to this mysterious puzzle that I presented to you all this evening. And the answer should be these AirPods, right? But what happens when the logic on which your entire assumption is based upon is completely destroyed? You see, these weren't really earpods at all, to be honest. This was just a piece of origami AirPods. You see, sometimes we assume stuff that seems convenient. We generalize and make up our minds based on our biases and preconceptions. That, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, is the frosted glass of our mind. You can see through it, but the image is never really clear. Thank you so much, everyone.